Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start in Side Settings to remove color fast. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then Display and Text Size, and select Color Filters. This is where iOS controls color output. Once done, flip the color filters toggle on to see immediate change. You do this because it alters the display pipeline, not individual apps, so color is removed system-wide. Make sure your phone is unlocked and you can follow on-screen options. This gets you into the exact control panel to remove color now. You now pick the grayscale filter to eliminate hue. Tap the grayscale swatch under color filters. The screen should immediately shift to shades of gray. Once selected, check Photos and the home screen to confirm consistent desaturation, because some contrast or night shift settings can change appearance. Make sure to leave color tint and individual filters off for a clean grayscale result. If you want quick access later, set the accessibility shortcut to color filters, so triple-clicking the side button toggles color removal. You finish by confirming settings and adding a shortcut. Go to Accessibility right arrow Accessibility shortcut and select color filters so a triple-click toggles grayscale instantly. Once done, exit settings and navigate your apps to ensure color is removed everywhere. If color persists, restart the iPhone and check for an iOS update, because system bugs or night shift/true tone can interfere. As a troubleshooting tip, disable night shift and true tone, then reboot. That resolves most conflicts and restores an accurate grayscale display.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.